Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 1? Good? That's very great. Okay, so I'm here again, your ma'am Omama, and I'll be teaching you social studies as well. Okay, so together on every day we will be taking 3 classes, right? Is it exciting for you? Well, it is for me. So tell me, how are you guys feeling? How are your lessons going? Are they going great? Yes? So, what are you doing basically in most of the classes? Telling about yourself. To whom? To your teachers and to your other fellows as well, right? Okay. So, tell me, why are you telling this? Because they don't know you, right? Okay. So, what are the things that you mentioned? Yes, your name, okay. Your age, okay. So, now, the topic that we are going to discuss today is very interesting. And in that topic, we will discuss about ourselves. Okay. We will learn about each other and we will learn about ourselves as well. Right. So, before starting the topic, I'm going to share the screen with you and we will quickly review what are some class rules and then we will move forward. Okay. So, I'm going to share the screen with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay. Let's start our lessons with the great name of Allah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Let's quickly review what are different classroom rules. The very first rule, you are not supposed to turn your camera off during the classes. You are supposed to raise your hand if you want to say something, right? And wait for your turn as well. Well, the third is that you are listen to it when someone is speaking, when your teacher or somebody from your class is saying something, you are supposed to pay attention to that, right? And the last but not the least is that you are supposed to follow the directions of your teacher quickly and very carefully. Right? Okay. Let's quickly review what is today's plan. We will be doing a small activity, then we will watch a video, and lastly, we will do some verbal wrap up activity, and finally, I'll give you some reinforcement activity. Now, before moving forward or discussing what are some general things that we use to define ourselves, I want to ask you that, let's say you are traveling. This is an activity, right? Let's say we are traveling together in a bus and we don't know each other, right? None of you know me, none of you and I don't know any one of you, right? So now what will happen? Let's say I ask some of you that, hi there, how are you? So, what would be your answer? That I am fine, right? Now, then I'll ask you that, what's your good name? So, you will answer, let's say, my name is Ahmed, right? Then I'll ask you, how old are you? And then you will be like, I am 7 year old or maybe 6 year old, right? Now, let's say if I ask you, where do you live? So would you give me your complete address, like maybe Kahuta, street number this, house number this? Will you give me this whole address? No. You will just tell me that I live in Kahuta, or let's say I live in Islamabad, I live in Rawalpindi, right? Now, what is the activity? Like I have tell you, like I have made this conversation in front of you. There is a small activity. We will make pairs of two children and then we will be having a small play between them, right? Okay. Raise your hands who want to take part in this play. Yes. Okay. So tell me, what's your good name? The one in the red shirt. You are Elise. Okay, good. And the one in the black shirt, the boy, Ahmed. Okay. So first of all, Elise and Ahmed will have a play, right? Let's say you are meeting each other for the first time. So what would be the questions you will be asking each other, right? Okay, so start your play. Yes. How will you start? Okay, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. Okay, then how are you? Then Okay, what's your name? What would be the next question? Your age, okay. In which class you are. Okay, yes, you know each other, that you are, all of you are in grade 1, but still you are supposed to pretend that you don't know about each other, okay? So, class, what else? What do you like to play? Okay, good. Yes, Ali, answer it. Okay, what else? Yes, Alize. Anything else which is coming in your mind that you want to ask him? What is your favorite food? Okay. What else? And where do you live? Fine, excellent. Now, any other children who want to do this play? Okay, we will be making the next pair, and this time Sarah and Abdullah will participate. Okay, start conversating. Name, age, class. Okay, where do you live? Anything else which is different from the Alize's and Ahmed play which is coming in your mind? Yes. Anything else that you want to ask, Sarah? No? Okay. So after this activity, what we have learned that the common questions that come in our mind when we meet a stranger are name, age, class, favorite food, and favorite hobby, let's say. Got it? Now these were the, or where do you live? Your location. Now these are the few things that we have learned are the common things that come in our mind, right? Now there can be a lot of other questions as well that we can ask somebody. Let's say if you are writing a paragraph on myself about you, you can tell your gender as well, right? You can talk about your yes, you can talk about where do you live. You can talk about what do you like to play, what do you like to read, what is your favorite dish, right? Then you can talk about your age, class. These are the general things that every introduction or every the paragraph on myself have, right? Now I'm going to share the presentation again with you. So the very five general questions that somebody asks us or when two stranger meets are these questions. The very first thing is what's your name, right? And then there are different ways of answering this question. Let's say I am Obama, I am Saad, I am Ali, I am Ahmed. Or you can answer this question as my name is this, right? Now the second thing that somebody wants to know about us is how old are you, right? So you can say that I'm 4 year old, I'm 5 years old, I'm 6 year old, right? Then the next question can be in which class do you read? If somebody don't know about your class, right? So the answer can be that I'm in grade 1, I'm in grade 2, I'm in nursery, I'm in early years or whatever. Then the next question can be what do you like to eat, right? So the answer could be that I like to eat biryani, or my favorite food is, let's say, fish, or I like to eat pizza, or whatever you want to say, right? Then the next question can be, what do you like to do, right? Now that the people wants to know about basically your hobbies or what do you like to do in your free time, right? So you can answer this question as I like to do let's say I like to play football, I like to do drawing in my free time, I love reading books, right? Or my favorite hobby is cycling or reading or anything, whatever it is. Now, these were the five general questions that somebody wants to know about us. Now, the person who is telling all of this, what basically he is doing, he is introducing or he is defining himself. So the topic that we are discussing today is how you can define yourself or learning about myself. Now now before moving forward, let's discuss what is the importance of this topic. Now let's watch an interesting video before moving forward about how we can define ourselves in a better way, or what are the points that we should include in that. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this video through which you will get an idea, and then we will do the reading of your book page as well, right? That will also help you understand how we can define ourselves in a better way. Okay, so show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you. Is it? Excellent.
Hello everyone, my name is Ali and I'm going to show you my life. Well, that's my house. Let's go to my house. That's my family and the living room we watch TV at. Oops, that's my school bus. I'm going to the school. Woo! And that's my school inside the city. Yeah, that's my classroom.
Now you have seen that in the video he is basically including some other points, right? With the points that we have not yet discussed. Are you getting this? While defining himself, he has included the points other than the general points, right? They have like he has talked about his school, he has talked about his family members, which are linked to him, right? So you can add these extra information in that as well. But what we are discussing today is that what are the points, the necessary points that we should include while we are describing ourselves, right? So now open your book, page number 1. We will be reading this together. Open it. Okay. So let's say myself. My name is Zara. There is this Zara in purple dress, the cute girl. I'll tell you about myself. Now let's see what are the points Zara include in her introduction, okay? I'm 5 years old. I'm in class 1. I like to eat pizza and sweets, and I love to play with dolls. I also like to play outside. Now, the second person is Hassan. I'm Hassan. I'll tell you about myself. I'm 6 years old. I'm in class 1. I like to eat cake and ice cream. I love to listen to stories. And I also like to play cricket. Now, you have seen that while describing themselves, they have also described those 5 points, those 5 general points that we have already discussed, right? That we used to tell each other when we meet somebody for the first time, when we meet some stranger, the points that we include, the same points are discussed in your book as well, right? Now, before ending the class, there is this small activity that you are supposed to do. What you are supposed to do basically, make a hand on your notebook. Look at there. You will make a hand like this. Name, then age, right? Then class, favorite food, and then finally hobby. Okay,